think both teams want to win the game, and it was physical. So that's part of this game, and you're gonna have games like that. It's gonna get a little bit more chippy than some other games. So yeah.
You didn't get the 2 points, but do you feel like as a team you accomplished something just by the way you responded?
We always put a lot of emphasis to have each other's backs and play as a unit, as a team, and I thought that you saw it tonight that everybody responded in the right way.
What's the room saying to you there as you're talking in line with the ref?
That's gonna stay on the ice.
Is that the kind of game we can expect going into the playoffs? If these two teams,
it's different story in the playoffs. There's a lot more on the line, and every game is obviously a big game. And but not to take anything away from tonight's game, you're gonna see that in the playoffs, obviously the physicality goes up another level.
See, does it violate code at all when somebody's hitting you from behind when you're about to go at somebody else?
That's sometimes you're gonna see that. It's like I said, you can't really see what's coming from behind, but yeah.